What is up, guys? Welcome back. A bunch of stuff's rocked up again, and we can actually start putting everything back together finally. I'm gonna try to keep the shenanigans to a minimum this time, but no promises. We'll try to actually get some work done today, and I've still got a whole bunch of parts on this bench here that need to go on. Let's get stuck into it. I was waiting on a couple of seals like this water pump O-ring before I could move on to timing the engine. So I went ahead and replaced that, and then started aligning everything, reassembling the timing tensioner and getting everything dialed in. It was around this point that I realized one of the bolts in the timing tensioner was actually stripped. Definitely seemed like a problem for another day. I ended up spending probably a good hour fixing it. So annoying. I've actually realized why the plastic timing cover was all scratched up before. So they had this extra massive spring washer in behind tensioner pulley bolt. So it was pushing everything back, and then obviously it was pushing the cover back. So mystery solved from episode 1 or 2, I think it was episode 2. I finished off the timing and went on to installing the fuel rail and injectors. I ended up going with 1200cc injectors from Raceworks. They are modified Bosch, the E85 compatible ones. I had a few things that I still needed to clean up on the intake manifold, so I just sat that on there for now, and then went on to sealing the back of the head where the cam covers sit. I think they're called half moon seals or whatever. And then halfway through doing that, I realized I forgot to put on the cam sensors. So manifold back off, seal the back of the head, and then install the 2 cam sensors on the side. Same mint condition timing cover from before. I just gave it a bit of a spray off screen. Getting pretty hungry at this point, so decided to have a lunch break. Right, so just gotten back. These are the ones I substitute them with. So apparently the Torx ones that they supply you with, you need to use the Torx 40 plus, which I do not have. Maybe that's why I keep stripping them. Anyways, so I'm just using an Allen key one. It's exactly the same size, everything. Another thing we have to do before we can chuck these back on is get rid of these 2 breather hoses on the inside. These ones here. The coil kit I bought came with these bungs to block off pretty much all 4 of them, but obviously I'm not going to do that. These are a little bit annoying because they're press fit, so find the best method to squash it down like that. If you know of a better way to do this, please let me know. It saved me a lot of time. New bungs. Classic Reuben. That's it. I've just chucked everything back on, including this wiring harness, which tucks really nice for the coils. Looks beautiful. All right, so be real with you, it's been like 2 months since the start of this video. We've had heaps of stuff going on. in between car meets and Japan trips and all kinds of shenanigans going on. More Japan content coming out. We went to Daikoku meets and the Mori factory, etc. So once I actually get through sorting through all that footage, that'll be going up soon, so stay tuned. But what's new on this is I finally decided on a color. I've ended up going with this beautiful Ford Grey. So I decided to go that just because I have all this blue and purple in the front, and going something out there would be a bit too much. We've had some new parts rock up as well. We spent about 45 minutes trying to get these studs in. The forbidden kit has been used multiple times. But yeah, it's ready to go on, so I'm gonna chuck on the new kit and see how it looks. By the way, guys, this rig is Nathan.
Hello.
The newest member. Away.
This thread is...
Cool. It'll rethread itself. Yep. Oh, you know what I just realized? Because it's V-band, I can literally like do this.
Yep.
Yes.
Why does the exhaust move? Never mind.
What did he say?
What?
Why does the exhaust move the other way
No,
around?
that's not what I was
It's literally like
connected.
a rod.
Where are you going?
I'm embarrassed.
Apart from this disgusting mess, I can't wait to chop that off, but almost there.
Then again, it could look like that. I'm joking.
Yep.
Did the bird shit on this or something?
Oh, one other thing. I paid $50 for that, and now
$50.
and now I'm going auto. So
Are you actually?
Auto.
no.
It's auto.
So
Well, I mean,
this is the box I'll be running. It's out of a JZX90, and it is auto. What do you reckon, boys?
It's not.
It is auto.
It's not auto.
Do you not know what an auto box looks like?
I picked this up with you, not an auto box.
It's an auto box.
It's not an auto box. Do you know how I know?
First he asks why the back of the turbine is
Do
spinning.
you know why?
Yeah,
it's
come
not
on.
Auto?
Why?
Because it's not auto.
Okay, normally this shaft is much longer. There's a bearing that sits here. There's a hole somewhere for the clutch fork, and that pushes on the clutch. It is an auto box.
You know
I'm
what
dead
I
sick.
think?
I reckon we just...
I think you're talking smack. You
To
can swear on the
appreciate-
bird's life that it's an auto box?
Yes,
Wait, really?
yes.
Guys, I knew it was auto the entire time. I've just been flipping the flop. This is not a throttle cable. Do you understand? I thought
A
this was
throttle cable to the gearbox.
So it's actually auto.
Yes, I'm not kidding.
I feel like
Literally, have a look at the numbers on there, Google it, and tell me what comes up. So what do you reckon?
You're not
Do you
going auto.
approve of my daily auto comfortness?
It's not auto. You're lying.
I reckon I can power skid.
It's not auto.
That's what I'm gonna do when I get my legs.
Guys, it's not auto.
I just googled it. It's auto.
Yeah, but you're lying.
I promise you it is auto, but that is a J1 bell housing.
actually-
I bought the whole thing for $50 just for the bell housing.
Wait, so it's actually auto?
It's auto, I'm not lying.
But he's only using the. Are you only using the?
Yeah, so I need this, and then there's a kit that goes on the back here using this bell housing that bolts up to the 1J,
You know
What
what?
box are you actually gonna run? Is it?
a T56.
You know
So
what
out
I
of
thought
like
it was?
a Commodore.
You know,
Anyway, so that's the first piece, and then I need the adapter and the actual box. That's probably what's next for the engine, and then very soon it'll be going in that. So
And then we're K24 swapping the R34.
yes,
Okay.
I've had enough of this disgusting 2J impurity, so I'm
We're
Honda
going
swapping
four
it.
banger.
Yeah.
Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we're broke as f, we need views. Make sure to actually watch our videos, you otherwise. Make sure to turn notifications on too.
Be our slaves. We need the watch. You think we enjoy doing this stuff?
Yeah, I want to buy a Lexus, but I'm like too broke, so like subscribe and actually watch our shit. That'd be good. Alright, See ya.
See you, mate.
Tack it.